We like some Pink Floyd, huh?
Oh yeah. She does, man. On the Italian Job movie, they play Money, the Money song. She loves it.
She's got good taste. Look at her go! Look at her go!
Because I raised her right.
She's a dancing maniac. Wow! All right, look at them moves. She's got the moves. Can you do the moonwalk? Like stands where she can see herself. Look at her rock out. Holy moly. That girl jamming. Your Uncle Scotty will like this one. He's a Pink Floyd fan. Wow, man. Look at her go. No lack of energy.